Hiya.
Hi there.
Morning. Is that a blacksmith?
I am a blacksmith.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm trying to be a blacksmith.
So that you prepares the wolf. Sorry. Wow. It's really going to be fun today.
Hello.
So what's this all about?
What's it all about?
Yeah.
So, Castleford
Yeah.
is actually built on an old Roman tower.
Okay.
So if you have a look in the market space, you can't see it.
So
But
sorry,
if you see-
before we continue, you don't mind I'm filming this?
okay.
You don't mind?
No.
No, it's
fine.
all right.
So if you have a look there, can you see all the different coloured tiles in
Yeah.
the market space? Those represent walls from the Roman barracks that used to be based there.
Oh.
So every year we have a big Roman day
Okay.
because to commemorate or celebrate the fact that Castleford is a Roman town.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
This is my first time witnessing it. I'm witnessing it for the first time.
Yeah.
Sorry. All right. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah.